So is Bitcoin mining worth it in June 2019? So let's mine away. Hello guys, BitTruth here. Today we're going to talk about Bitcoin mining. Today we're going to look at the Bitcoin price and some of the Bitcoin miners on here, and we're going to look at the most profitable, the most, the best miner you can find on the market right now. We're going to look at the S17 Ant miner. We're going to also look at the Innosilicon T3 plus 52, and we're going to look at the Ebang 11 plus plus. Now, of course, I've put a poll, 3 weeks ago, so it has been a while, about what content you want to see, and by far, we're going to focus more on mining cryptocurrency related videos, because that's what you guys really like to see and really like to actually view. So let's start with some of the miners, shall we? So the most profitable miner by far is still not released. It is called the Micro BT What's Miner M20S. Now we have saw this miner since like January 2019. They have put ads around, pre-ordering it when it comes out. We also have the ASIC miner, from what is it called? This company, Nano Pro. Now I'm not sure. I don't trust them because I've got a lot of complaints around them, and there's a lot of videos on the internet speaking about them being scams. So we are going to avoid them. So the first miner is the S17. 56 terahashes. Now we're going to look at currently the Micro BT. When it comes out, we're going to view on it. So as you can see, it is sold out. The miner has been sold out. It's actually 1800. I believe last month it has been like 1500. More will be shipping in August, so you will have to wait. Now the miner on a third-party website called Coin Mining Central. Now the price right here is a bit inflated, but it's really supply and demand, really. So here you have about 1800 pounds for this miner. If you go right here, it's like $2200, $2300. And of course, I'm not sponsored by Coin Mining Central or Bitmain. I'm just reviewing the prices. As you can see, 56,000 gigahashes or 56 terahashes. The average of the United States, 12 cents per kilowatt hour, even though there are some places which is much higher and much lower, depends on which state you live in. The price, we're going to take an average of 8,800. The hardware cost is $2,300, 0% pool fees, and 2,500 watts. So let's see. So you are going to take about 242 days to break even with this inflated price. So some people are going to say, is it worth buying? Now, of course, I'm not sure about this company. I'm not sure if they're legitimate or they have like a bad, review. Now, they are from the United Kingdom where I live, but of course, I'm not going to buy it for the electricity rate in where I live. So, of course, you can buy this. You will have it shipping wherever you live. Maybe in the United States or throughout Europe. And you're going to get this, and it's really profitable, at least for now. Now let's see if we can go to $10,000. So with $10,000 we are getting about 195 days, so it's even more profitable. So it depends where you sell your cryptocurrencies, and that's the most important part about mining. When do you sell the cryptocurrencies you mine, when do you not sell? So as you can see, 242 days is not bad. Now the next miner we're going to look at is the Innosilicon T3 plus 52T. Now the problem with this miner is that I cannot find any trace of it on Innosilicon for some reason. They have like the T339T, they have other kinds of miners, but this one in particular, I did not find anything relating to this. So I'm going to take the figures off this website. It's like $11 profit per day. That's based on this website. So I'm not really sure how much it will actually be. We can actually duplicate this website and try to figure it out. So let's say this miner sells around these ranges, or maybe $2,000. I'm not sure of the price. And the gigahashes per second, let's see. It's 52 terahashes, so 52, 12 cents. This has to change also. As you can see, 2200, so 2200, and calculate. So 217 days. Remember, I took an average. I'm not sure what's the price of this miner will be or is. So you have to take my word on this one. Anyways, the next miner we're going to look at is the Ebang EBIT 11 plus plus. Now this miner is the least profitable. Remember, few months ago, okay, it was the most profitable on the cryptocurrency market. I want to teach you how much it, like the cryptocurrency market, okay, where mining equipment is sold, how much things can transition really fast. So as you can see, a profitable miner weeks ago can change really fast, you know, and it's taken by Bitmain. So Bitmain is taking the lead right now, and I think this would be a really valuable lesson if you want to buy any type of miner, okay, or Bitcoin miner or cryptocurrency miner. Anyways, $2,000 for one miner. Now of course I think this one is all sold out, so most of these miners are sold out, okay, on most websites. So you're going to see prices, you know, fluctuate between a couple $100 extra. So do we have anything else? Now here's a website, you know, you have to pre-order, that will take a long time, but you have mining wholesale. Now remember, I'm not sponsored by these guys or any of the people mentioned in this video. This is just a review around Bitcoin mining equipment. So the website is not working for some reason. Anyways, let's take this price, okay, until they get new ones. 44 terahashes, okay, 12 cents per kilowatt hour, 1800, 800, okay, and you have $2,024, I think, and 1980. So let's calculate. It will take you 272 days. So these miners range around 240 days, 270 days. So they're not bad. Actually, if I was you or I were you, I would actually get the Bitmain, okay, S17, because at least with Bitmain they have much more, you know, longevity. For example, in the whole of 2018 you used to buy the S9, the Antminer S9. Right now it's not, you know, relevant anymore, but of course back then, you know, that miner used to be like 2-3 years. Okay, people still buy it till now, but of course it's oversold. So whoever bought it back then is profiting right now. So I suggest the S17. Now another thing I want to talk about is the optimistic and bearish people. Now I put a poll a day ago, okay, about Bitcoin prices, and as you can see, $10,000, you know, voted by 67% of 55 votes. Thanks for everyone voting. If you want to vote on such votes, just subscribe for the channel, hit the notification bell, and also join our Discord. Okay, of course here we post different things, you know, sometimes updates, you know, sometimes cryptocurrency prices, like right here, okay, if I'm online. So it differs, okay. And anyways, what I want to talk about, the optimistic people. Now the thing is, I'm not saying cryptocurrency cannot go to $10,000, but you need to remember this article from 5 months ago. Back then Bitcoin used to, you know, go around $3,500 only, okay. So there was a lot of bearish sentiment in the market back then. You know, people say Bitcoin's going to $1,000, Bitcoin going to $100, and then vice versa. You have the price pumping really fast. Now the thing is, what I'm trying to say is that, you know, OTC volume of Bitcoin is rising, or institutions buying. You know, back then institutions were buying due to the Bitcoin price being so low. Now why do you think they bought and right now the prices are so inflated? These people that are FOMOing in right now, buying cryptocurrencies and these inflated prices, you are going to lose eventually, because these OTC buyers and institutional investors and, you know, whoever else, okay, these guys are going to sell eventually. A lot of people believe that we're going to $50,000, $10,000. Some people are bearish right here, so they're a minority, but I've already exited out of the market. The only thing I'm doing right now is actually just trading cryptocurrencies, trading alts from here to there, okay, just a couple minutes at a time, sell cryptocurrency there, buy cryptocurrency there. I'm not holding for the long term right now. Now I have a separate wallet where I actually hold Bitcoin for the long term, basically like a savings account, opening a savings account, but, you know, basically in Bitcoin. So, you know, just I'm trying to say that we might never see the $10,000, okay, you know, in the couple months coming. Maybe we're going to see again the $3,500 level or worse. No, I'm not saying we're not going to $10,000, but you need to have plan A, B, or C. You know, people are just trying to FOMO into the market. You know, have a limit to how much you are buying cryptocurrencies. You need to be cautious. You need to be actually, you know, knowledgeable. Now, some cryptocurrencies, believe it or not, are still undervalued other than Bitcoin. Now, you might see these percentages are really high, like some cryptocurrencies are really high. But some cryptocurrencies like Nano, for example, I've been looking at it for a couple days, okay, and I have took some interest in it. It has a really, you know, undervalued price if we really look at it, and it's one of the top cryptocurrencies. Okay, and other cryptocurrencies, there's a ton of cryptocurrencies that are still undervalued. Cherry picking and take the best cryptocurrency that you're believing in. Now, of course, guys, take this with a grain of salt. We don't know how much the market, you know, where it will go in the couple months. It might really be really bullish, because another piece of news is about the halvening, where you know right now mining, okay, you're getting 12.5 Bitcoin per block. When that halves, that will be like 6.25. So that is going to make a lot of people, you know, really greedy in Bitcoin, because there's less Bitcoin per block. Supply and demand, remember that, so the price might pump. Just remember that cryptocurrencies are really, you know, you cannot predict anything, and I'm not predicting any prices, but I'm just being cautious right now. Now, of course, this is not financial advice. And thank you guys for watching this video, and hopefully you actually made your mind about even buying, you know, some cryptocurrency miner or Bitcoin miner or anything else. So whether you want to buy cryptocurrencies and invest in your future, or you want to buy cryptocurrencies and remain, you know, safe. More than that, you know, subscribe, click the like button, and click the notification bell. See you guys on the next video.